This is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. Today, I want to show you how to use one of my favorite tools called Fliki AI to create videos from a blog post. So here we go. So here we are on Fliki. All you have to do is hit a new file once you're logged in, and you can try it for free. So for the file, I'm going to be doing the best hashtags. I'm going to copy the URL and just name that best hashtags. I want to use English. You do have many languages to choose from. And the same with the dialect. You can use many different countries as well. I use the portrait size because I use these for Pinterest and usually YouTube Shorts. Start with blog, not with an empty file, idea, tweet, product. You can do those as well. So here we go. Going to hit submit. Going to paste the URL right here. You have a choice between the stock media, I like using the video, I think they work better, or the AI. I've been using the AI cinematic and really liking how it shows. You have all different kinds to choose from though. And you got video or image. And again, you have all different kinds. You could do an add-on to have avatars for your own intro and out scenes as well. There's many different templates. I keep the same one as well as the branding. So you hit submit and it takes just a few minutes. It shows how many credits. I have an unlimited account with them. I did forget one thing here though. Let me close this. See the time, 1 minute? I want it shorter because, so we're gonna go back home, get a little extra lesson here. The best hashtags, we're gonna delete this one. As you can see, they keep all the other ones that you do, unless you delete them. So we're gonna start over one more time. Best hashtags, English, United States, portrait, blog, submit. Less than a minute, 30 seconds. I wish they even went shorter, but you can shorten them with Canva if you like. Video AI, we're going to do video instead of image. Usually I've done image. I don't think I've tried video. So again, this takes a few seconds, less than a minute usually to process. And then you're able to see what it looks like and edit. You can edit the text. You can edit the videos. Sometimes, depending on the length, they may use more than one video image per slide, I guess you would call it, as you will see coming up here. I've been using this tool about 6 months, and it's really increased my Pinterest pins reach, which of course drives more traffic to the blog. Pinterest is probably my third or fourth top one referrer. And then, of course, YouTube, having these short videos really helps to whip these out. I was doing them every day for about 14 days, and it really increased my views and got a few extra subscribers along the way as well. So it's just about done creating here, as you can see. And as soon as it's done, you'll be able to see the entire process, how it works. And again, you can use these other options, the idea, script, looks like PowerPoint, tweet, and a product. I'm actually going to be trying it for products, Nick, for some of my affiliate products. I'd love to see how they come out. But for the blog, I thought these were phenomenal. You can also do them longer form. I've done a few 3-minute YouTube videos, and you just change the settings. So this is the text here. You can see the text, the different slides. And I'm going to watch it, and let's see what we think with the voiceover. We got music on, too. We can always take the music off. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Let's see. It's got airport terminal departure gate for the music. Sometimes I get rid of scene 1 because it's just a title. It depends how the rest of it looks and goes.
Use of best hashtags and social listening for B2.
Let's start that from the beginning. We missed the... Let's try that again. Sorry.
Effective use of best hashtags and social listening for B2. He says, discover effective strategies for use of the best hashtags and social listening to generate B2 listening leads. Learn the best practices here. Please think non-traditional marketing. Attract attention in engage the listening audience through hashtags and social listening in SNS. Social listening helps brands understand their audience and gain high-quality leads. Our hashtags direct different customers to the content. So social listening, promote and share the relevant content into a wide audience of the listening. Such relevant hashtags and discover the content. Stay updated with trending recipes and identify challenges and opportunities for social listening tools that are soon. Optimize your content strategy and address user needs. Categorize targeted hashtags about different areas of your business, such as real estate trends, to optimize posts for the right market segments.
Now you can go in and change these, like this particular one. I'm going to see if they have something better for hashtags. And I didn't like some of the B2B, the way they pronounced it, so we can work on that and change it. They did it well at the end, if you notice, but not at the top. So that's how you can change an image. Let's see if it's gonna, we'll go back to the end so we can kind of see it. Here it is.
Strategy and address user needs. Categorize targeted hashtags by different areas of your business, such as industry trends. Optimize posts for the right market segments.
Now this was a little long, so I'm gonna get rid of, let's see. We have scene one we're gonna delete. Instead of B2B, we're just gonna put business to business. Business to business leads. We're just gonna leave it at that. Kind of simplify it. Business leads, okay, because we want to shorten it up a little bit, right? Audience through and social listening. We don't need to keep saying for B2B SaaS. Let's see if we can get this shortened. Social listening, help wild, potential, hashtags, wide audience, research, stay updated. We don't need to say the stay updated. Let's get rid of that. Maybe get rid of that one, just keep one. Okay. I'm gonna promote another one instead. I like brand 24. I'm gonna use in here. Identify challenges, opportunity to optimize strategy. Let's just do strategy. Categorize. Optimize posts. We'll just leave it at optimize posts. Let's see. It looks like we got it down in a shorter length of time. So now we're going to listen one more time after making those changes, and let's see how we do. It's just taking time to upload the changes here. Oh, I thought we got rid of this one. Let's get rid of that. Okay.
Best hashtags and social listening for B2. So discover effective strategies for using the best hashtags in social listening.
I'm going to change this again. I didn't like that. Business to business. Oh, it's really starting over here so we can hear the final on it. So you can see the edits can take a few minutes.
For using the best hashtags in social listening. Identify challenges and opportunities in social listening tools like Brand 24 to optimize your content strategy.
Just want to check this one again. It doesn't. We're going to make this one a little bit longer. We're going to add a layer in there. Let's do media. In media, we're going to do video, and it's going to be hashtag. Hashtag, find something else there. Okay. Perfect. That's going to look good. Okay.
Identify challenges and opportunities through social listening tools like Brand 24. Strategy. Categorize targeted hashtags for different areas of business, such as hits and trends, and optimize posts.
That's it. So now you're ready to hit the download button. Always do it in the MP4, the 1080. And again, this is great for stories if you shorten it. You can also use it for Pinterest pins, video pins. And I like using it for the YouTube short feature as well. So it takes a little while. As you can see, it's almost done. It also gets emailed to you, but I like to just wait here and get the download. Here are some I've got scheduled for this week. As you can see, there's 3 there. So this one's going to go for Thursday. And just to show you some of the ones that I've done that, how many views they get, saves, etc. Really seems to make a difference on the views with the video ones versus the plain static ones, as you can see here in my Pinterest profile. Some do better than others. You just never know which ones are going to really fly and which ones might flop. But I found with the video, it works much, much better. So, and here we are. It looks like it is done. And then you just download it and save it to your desktop. I hope this has helped you see how Fliki AI can bring your blog posts to life with video. Thank you.